I repaired this lawnmower, folks. Pull it out and then the wheels will drop to the lower level.
Like that? I'll pull it up or out?
That outwards, spring loaded. Now put it sideways when you pull it out. It's not rocket science. There you go.
Oh, the whole thing goes.
Yes, that's it. Go on. Now do the front one. This one.
That's quite low,
Do the front one this side, Benji. Make sure you get it on the same number. Get it even.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You probably don't have to do the back. You can leave the backs where they are, Ben. 3 primes, 3 or 4 primes on the priming thing.
What's this here?
What? Don't worry about that. No, you ain't got to worry about that. It's all one speed. Pull the dead man's handle up and now pull it back. You ain't got to go mad. Go on, and again. There you go. Off you go, Benji. Yeah. Keep going. One more car. What are you doing? There he goes. I'll move my car out of the way. Mind that rock under there, look, there's a rock there, you want to pick that up. You don't want that under there. He's doing alright, isn't he? Go around that tree. You want a strimmer for that, really, don't you? You want a strimmer for the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing it, look. Nice job, Benji.
Equipamento só deixou as roupas do varal, os limão do quintal e a pasta impermeável com.
Very good. I like the old cable. See that, folks? That's the old cable tie fix. Look, stick it through the old. You ain't got to get a nut and bolt.
2 seconds.
Who needs a key? Who needs a bolt, eh? You done well, Benji.
Quick fix, mate. Quick fix, 2 seconds.
Lovely old job. You gonna empty it out?
Probably not.
Yeah, you got to empty it out, Benji. You don't want wet grass in there. Always empty it out, Benji. Into the waste. Oh, look. There you go.
There you go.
You got a brown bin for green waste, have you?
Yeah.
That's funny. I would have thought a green bin for green waste, Benji.
No, green bins for non-recyclables.
So you're colourblind. What do you do?
Go for sizing.
Ah,
Biggest is the green.
is it really?
These two, yeah, but colourblind's only blue and yellow, isn't it?
Of course it is.
Numpty.
There you
there's
go.
A bit of rust there.
Oh, don't worry about that, Benji. Cover it up. There you go. No, come on. It's not rocket science, Benji. And your oil levels there, but never overfill them, Benji, because they smoke. The dipstick thing there.
Look.
Yeah, and the petrol's the little petrol tank down the side there.
What have we got to put in there?
Hey, petrol. Normal petrol.
Just normal.
Just normal petrol.
No mix or
It's a 4-stroke engine. Oh, it's going to live under the trampoline, I take it.
Now, yeah.
Yeah, of course it will. That won't ever come into the house or into the garage. Well done,
I ain't got a
Benji.
lot of space in the garage.
Of course you ain't.
see. Got a lot of stuff.
Well, you've tidied it up, haven't you?
Well, this needs to go here and get.
Oh, I can't lift that door up.
Nah, it's a bit fucked, mate.
Eh? That's the little bike that I repaired on my Retro Hacks channel, folks. We've actually put petrol in it, and little James and George used it for the first time yesterday.
Oh, is that fully charged?
Ah, there you go.
Fully charged?
And there's our golf clubs over there.
Oh, I might get that out. in a bit,
What's that then?
Might have a little knock
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the battery for your little trolley, is it? Nice.
Let's see.
Right, well, let's go inside now, Benji. I've had enough out of here.
Oh yeah, baby, full.
See you later, folks.
Bye bye.